Next, what we can do is we can again use a for loop and script through all of the table rows. Let's say, let's create a new list, empty list, and then for table data in soup dot find all table rows, then the indentation, and then list dot append table data dot get text, and the separator here, and then we can say final list is the list ranging from 1 to end, and we can print it final list. As you can see, we got all of the data here, but the thing is we also got this slash n with them. So how we can fix it? How can remove this slash n? We could use the strip function, which will strip all of the spaces or slash n's from the list. Now you can see our list here. So we got our data from that table, all of it. Thanks.